Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this really sweet and simple cake stand. So you need a solid foam form I got this from Michael's. It's pretty sturdy so it can hold a cake. So I'm just coating it with a generous amount of Mod Podge. It does absorb quite a bit, so just make sure you put a thick layer on. Okay, once I did that, I'm now going over it with the first layer of glitter. I love this fine ultra sparkle glitter. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it below. So just coat that and dust off the excess and set that aside to dry for a few hours. Once that's dried to the touch, go ahead and put a second layer of Mod Podge over it and then apply the second layer of glitter. Once that's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the flowers. I'm still gonna put a final coat of Mod Podge over the glitter, but it still needs like another hour to dry, so I'm using that time to do this part. So I got these big peony flowers from Michael's, and it's pretty much the size of the side of the base. So I'm just putting that all the way around the cake form. And they fit perfectly. So in between at the top where you can see the form in between the flowers, I was going to put these smaller flowers, but once I started doing it I didn't like the way they looked, so I just swapped them out for these small roses instead, and I think it looks so much prettier. And I just went ahead and put those in between each of the flowers at the top. And that's it. We're done. How easy was that? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for weekly videos. Okay, bye.